So let's start the next topic. The topic is operators. So these operators, whatever the operators we are going to discuss now in the C programming, all these operators are common for every programming languages. So the operators are, I'll show you here. So what are the operators are there? All these operators you can use in Java, in Python, or in JavaScript, SQL. So the operators are, first operator is arithmetic operator, arithmetic operators. So arithmetical operators basically used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So this is plus, you know that this is used for addition. Then we have here the next operator minus for subtraction, multiplication, division, and there is a new concept which is called as mod here. In the programming languages, this is a new operator which is called as a mod. So basically the mod is used to give us the remainder value. Now what is the remainder value? Example, x equal to 5, y is equal to 3. X equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. You can take an example here. So we can perform x plus y is equal to, you will get 5 plus 3, which is answer is 8 here. So this is for, we can use for addition, subtraction. Similarly, you can do the subtraction here. X minus y is here 5 minus 2. So answer is 3 here. Then you can perform multiplication here. X into y is equal to 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Then we have a division here. X divided by y is equal to, so here you can say x divided by y, which is 15 divided by 3. So answer is 5. Okay, and the next one is x mod by y. So here you can say 15 mod by 3. You will get remainder value which is 0, because once your 3 divide to the 15, there is no remainder value. You can understand the mod with the help of another example. Suppose if I have 14 mod by 3, so you will get the division till the 12, and after the 12 there is a 2 value is the remainder value. Remember this. One more example I'll tell you. Suppose here if I say 17 mod by 5, so your remainder value will be 2. Remember this. So whenever any number, to any number, if your other number is dividing and if there is a complete division, then remainder is 0, and if there is some remainder, you will get that remainder value with the help of mod. So this mod operator is one of the very important operator in upcoming sessions. So using the mod, you can identify this number is dividing this number or not. Okay, if the division is completely done, then you will get remainder 0, otherwise there is a remainder value. Okay, so to check the even and odd number, we need to use, for example, 4 mod by 2. If remainder is 0, it means your this number is dividing this number and remainder is 0. Okay, if remainder does not 0, so means 2 does not divide 2. Suppose take example 5, so remainder value is 1, so this is not the even number. Okay, you know that even number means divide by 2. If remainder is 0, so it is a even number, otherwise it's a odd number. So in this scenario, you have to use mod operator. Remember this. So this operator is also called as binary operator. These operators are also called as binary operator. Now why we call it binary operator? Because you can check x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. When you write here x plus y, here you can understand now x plus y. So here you can check this. Okay, you can able to understand now why it is the binary operator, because see, this is called as your operator. This is called as what? Your operator. Okay, remember, this is called as what? Your operator here. Okay, this is the operator, and this operator work with x. This operator work with x and y. So your x and y are the operand. X and y are the operand. So if your operator plus is working with two operands x and y, then we can call it as, this is called as binary operator. You can call it as binary operator. Please remember this. Your operator is working with the more than like one operand. Here x and y are the operand, and plus is the operator. Therefore, you can say this is a binary operator. So plus is the binary operator, minus is the binary operator, multiplication is the binary operator. It means all arithmetical operators are binary operator. So let's understand this with example. So take an example here. So I am just taking the example for arithmetic operator dot C. So in arithmetical operator, you can understand with the example properly. Here is the integer x and y. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 3. Now print here, printf x plus y is equal to %d. So % is for integer. Here we need to use x plus y like this. Then next is x minus y, x multiplication y, division y, mod y. Check the output now. X minus y, x into y, x divided by y, x mod by y. So this is the plus, this is the minus, then here is the multiplication, this is the division, and the last one is the mod. Remember this. So x plus y, it means 5 plus 3, you will get your result here. X minus y, x into y, x divided by y, and mod is for remainder. So the answer for this you can check. Just compile your program. Okay, compile your program and run this program now. Look at this: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remainder. So check this with new line. So compile your code, check the output again. See, x plus y, x minus y, x into y, x divided by y, and this is the mod here. So here is the output for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So with the example, okay, in upcoming session you will get more idea, or you will get more understanding about the operators. Okay, so now this is the first operator, which is called as arithmetic operator. Now let's move to the second operator. In the second operator, here is the second operator, which is called as the relational operator. So relational operator. So how many relational operators are there? First is less than, like this. Second one is greater than. Then the third one is less than or equal, here you can say that equal to. So less than or equal to. Fourth one is greater than or equal to. So this is greater than or equal to. The fifth operator is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay, so here is the equal to is the operator. Equal to, this is the operator here. So please make a list of this operator properly. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equal to, and the next one is not equal to. So not equal to. So these are the relational operator here in front of you. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So always you remember, whenever you learn anything, you should know why this. Okay, so why we use this operator? So if you want to compare the two values, you have to use relational operator. Whenever you want to compare the two values, you have to use the relational operator. So whenever you want to use, or you want to compare the two values, you have to use relational operator. So this operator basically used in the conditional statement, which is called as if else and loop. Example: x equal to 5, y is equal to 2. So if you check like this, x is less than y, so the answer is false. False means it is a boolean answer. False means 0 and true means 1. Remember this. So in programming language, false means what? 0, and true means 1. So whenever this 5 is less than 2, this condition is false. It means it's a 0. Okay, so in if else or in the loop, I'll explain this in detail with example. Okay, so suppose the next one is x is less than or equal to 5. It means your value of the x is, look at this, the value of x is here, this x is right now 5, which is not less than but it is equal to 5. So therefore the condition is again true. Next one is, you can check here, this is the x value. Okay, so next if I check, this is my value of x is 5, value of y is 2. If I check like this, y is greater than or equal to 2. So right now your y is 2, 2 is not greater than but it is equal. Therefore this is also true. If you check y is greater than 2, so then here you will get the false, because y is 2, 2 is not greater than 2, 2 is not greater than 2. Here 2 is equal to 2. So whenever you want to consider this value, then use equal to. If you don't want to consider this value, then don't use the equal to. Okay, so here is the less than and greater than operator. Apart from this, x is equal to y, it means x and y both are equal or not. So right now x value is 5, y value is 2, both are not equal. Therefore this is the false. Remember this. If I check x is equal to 5, it means x and y both are same. So you can consider as a true. Then next is x is not equal to y. X is not equal to y. It means 5 and 2 are not equal. Yes, then you will get the true. So check this with the example. Check this with the example here. So second example, relational operator. Okay, relational operator dot c hash include stdio.h, then integer main. So here is the integer x, please remember this, integer x and y. So x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2. So here we'll check now, printf x is greater than y, %d, comma x is greater than y. Okay, then less than y, equal to y, not equal to y, x is greater than y, x is greater than or equal to y. Check the output for this. Then x is less than y, here is the x is less than y. Check the output for this also, less than or equal to, less than or equal to, remember this. Then here is the equal to, right? And the next one is not equal to, here is the not equal to. You can check the output for this. Check the output, what is the output for this program. So here we can check now, gcc relational operator .c .exe. Here is the output. First of all, x value is 5 and y value is 2. So 5 is greater than 2. Yeah, that's why it's a 1. Next is 5 is greater and equal, but greater than is there, that is sufficient. That's why it is again true. Then 5 is less than 2. No, it's a false. 5 is less than or equal to 2. Again it is a false. 5 is equal to 2. 5 is equal to 2. This is also a false value because both are not equal. But 5 and 2 both are not equal to, yes, then it's a true. Remember this. So the answer is 1 1 0 0. Okay, suppose if I consider here the value of x is 5, and value of y is 2. So what I'm doing in this scenario, I'll consider x is less than or equal to 5. Check here, x is less than or equal to 5. So we'll check this answer now. Fourth one, remember this. Compile your code and check your code. See, here is the 1 now, because x is not less than but it is equal to. So this is called as Boolean result, true or false. This is called as the Boolean result, true or false, because this condition is here is the 5 greater than 1, 5 is greater than 2, that's why the 1 is there. Then 5 is greater than, not greater than, but it is equal, no. Check this in the second one. Here is also 1, so it is not greater, it is also already greater, right? So 5 is greater than 2, so that's why it is 1. Suppose if we mention now something like this, if I mention here 2 like this, then what is the result? Check this, compile your code and check the answer. Yes, 2 is equal to 2 because y is 2, so answer is 1. So in this way you can check this operator. This is called as relational operator, and the result is in the format of Boolean. Boolean means true or false. True means 1, false means 0. And we are going to use in the condition statement like if else and all, like this. If x is greater than y, then if something is true, okay, then print here, otherwise go here. So this will discuss in upcoming sessions. Okay, right now I am giving you the introduction of all the operators. So this is our second operator, relational operator.